What up my amigos, it's Pumpernickel here. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit hungry as you can see. Hey guys, I found this little video on my computer and I decided to just edit it a little bit and see what happened. And I found it to be really funny and hopefully you guys did too. So yeah. So guys, be sure to like and share this video and also go check my other videos out if you want to, and I would really appreciate it if you did. And also guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel to be part of the family today, because I freaking love this family and I wouldn't trade it for anything. And that's all the time I have for you today guys. Also, I just want to remind you guys that I love you so much, so very much, no homo. So yeah guys, see you next time. Bye guys.